In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change quantity of products in Xero. Keeping your product quantities accurate in Xero is really important for clean reporting, correct stock levels, and avoiding surprises when you go to sell something. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click, so you can confidently adjust your product quantities whenever you need to. First, make sure you're logged into your Xero account and that you have the right permissions to manage products and inventory. From your main Xero dashboard, start by going to the Sales section. You'll usually see this in the main navigation menu. This is where Xero groups everything related to what you sell, including your inventory items. Once you're in the sales area, look for products and services and click on that. This opens a list of all the items you've set up in Xero, including products you track and any services you offer. If you have a long list, you can use the search bar or filters to quickly find the product you want to update. Next, select the product whose quantity you want to change. Clicking on the product name will open its details page. Here, you can see information like the item code, description, pricing, and current quantity on hand. Take a moment to confirm you're looking at the correct product to avoid adjusting the wrong item. On this product details page, look for an option called New Adjustment and click on it. This is the tool Xero provides specifically for changing quantities, rather than editing the quantity field directly. Using adjustments helps keep an accurate history of changes for your records and for auditing. When the adjustment window opens, you'll see an area where you can choose the adjustment type. Click on the adjustment type field and then select Increase Quantity. You would use this option when you're adding stock, such as after a stock take correction, or receiving items that weren't previously recorded. Now fill in the details for the adjustment. This typically includes the quantity you want to add, the date of the adjustment, and sometimes a reason or reference note. Be as clear as possible in the description so you or your accountant can understand later why the change was made. Finally, follow the on-screen prompts to review and confirm the adjustment. Check the updated quantity to make sure it looks correct, then save or confirm as instructed. Once you've done that, your product quantity in Xero will be updated and reflected across your reports and sales transactions.